showing you how to download and install the Minesanity mod pack for Minecraft on your Android device. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is download the resource pack and the behavior pack for Minesanity. So the link is in the description. Just download that and then go to the browser you downloaded it with. So I use Chrome, and then click on this three dots icon right up here. I'll show it to you right now on this one right here. So after you do that, click on it, click on this download button, and then here are your downloads. So Minesanity add-on pack 17 and res pack 17. So these two files are now highlighted better, just in case. Okay, it's just the first two. Okay, so click on one. So I'll click on the add-on pack first. Here we have open with my files and Minecraft. Click on Minecraft, and then Minecraft will launch. So here it is, it's launching. Okay, let's wait for it to load up. Loading. 56%, okay, 71%, 78%, 89%, 98%. Yes, allow. You're going to click on allow for it to work. And here, import started. And what is this? I need to find out if it's imported or not. Okay, yes, successfully imported a Minesanity add-on pack. So you want to do the same with the resource pack. So come over here, click on the resource pack, and it will open by default. Now you don't have to press open it or anything. So yeah, and import started. Let's wait for it to import. Successfully imported Minesanity as. So that's how you get it installed. On iOS the steps are a little different. I have a video on that, so you can check it out. It will be on the top right of your screen and in the pinned comment. So yeah, so that's how it is. Let me quickly show you how to use it. So go to quick play, and then whatever world you're using. So this one, create a new one, create new world, and then wait for it to load up. Okay, you wanna go down here, and you wanna click on this one, the first one, so resource pack. After clicking on that, you wanna click on my packs, and here it's the Minesanity. Okay, now click on active and see it's active. Then go to behavior packs, the one under it, my packs, Minesanity add-on pack, activate. Continue. Yeah, it will turn off achievements, which is annoying, but hey, there's a lot of cool stuff. So yeah, okay, continue. Now it will work perfectly. I'll actually show it to you right now, so I'll be back when the world is created. That's when starting. So this is all the Minesanity. Here like Aquaman, that is, and I don't know why this is like this, but this is something. So okay, we have the astral sword, the astral axe. So let's look at these in. So cool. So this is the sword, and this is the axe. Real cool. Okay, so we have a lot more stuff than that. So let's check it out. Where is it? Diamond pickaxes, diamond rods, diamond boot bases, diamond sword heads, diamond silver heads, dragon fruit, electrum apple, electrum ingot, enchanted jade apple, enchanted sapphire apple, enchanted top apple, pineapples, and jade apples, and topaz apples, and electron apple. So we'll be grinding, and I think that's fine now for now. So it isn't in the template. What the hell? Well, whatever. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Magic chicken, lucky sword. Okay. So and I think the strongest mob of all is the mob king. It is crazy strong. So mob king. Here we are. Okay, so let's test all this out in survival. Let's quickly make it daytime. So time and day. Set. Wait a sec. Okay, now it's the time of day. So now let's make it survival. Make our game mode survival. I did 1 seconds. Okay. So enchanted sapphire apple. Eat it. Sorry guys, I just forgot one thing. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, sorry about that guys, I'm back. Just forgot to grab some milk. Okay, so let's try this. The enchanted sapphire apple. Eat it, hey. I can't eat it. Okay. Haste 2 and night vision. Haste. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Okay, done. Now let's try the enchanted jade apple. Drink some milk. Now let's quickly swap this out. Another bucket of milk. So enchanted jade apple. Okay, so we got speed 3, jump boost 2, and slow falling 2 from that. Yeah, definitely works. Okay. So now we got enchanted topaz apple. So let's try that. Nice milk. Okay, let's try this. So the last apple is the second last is enchanted. Strength 3, regeneration 2. I mean strength 3 and regeneration 2. So confusing. Okay, let's check this out. How does this look? So now take this one. Okay, now electron apple. Regeneration 2 and health boost 2. Okay, so now guys, it's time for the mob king. I think it's the strongest. Let's just spawn it in. Let's just eat all these apples. Sapphire apple. Let's try this. I'm dead. I'm now I'm basically for this for nesting purposes, and yeah, it's so so yeah, that's basically it for today's video.